Hello everyone! Good morning! Kumusta kayong lahat? So this time mag-shoutout muna ako guys. Please behave anak, please anak. So I would like to shout out to Jen Palisang, Jan Stonewell, Jennifer Medalio, what else? Beng the Vlogger, I would like to shout out to Papa Poy Poy, Pangay Angel, Mel Traveler Vlog, Chico Libre Vlog, Chris Lopez Fitness, Taga Uma TV, Leo Orog TV Vlog. I would like to shout out my sister Algin Acelo, Lizzie Gomes, V-Love Vlog, Darren Dobson, Twin Joy Cueva. I would like to shout out to Nars Anton Vlog, Angev TV, MV21 Germany, Vilma Vlog, Lee Ann Nathaniel Vlog, Island TV 3, Liz TV 88 Vlog, JC On8 TV Vlog, Santi Casilla Vlog, Amat IMA Vlog, Blessed Life Vlog, Pax Vlog, Anne Rich Vlogs, Selvina De La Cruz Vlog, Joy Fernandez Tutorials, Vanessa B. Manco, Marshall TV Vlog, World of G Vlog, BYT Vlog, Kapid Nishi Vlog. Anisha, behave please. I would like to shout out to Corinthians RATV channel, DG Vlogger Vlog, My Flexibility Challenges Vlog, Carl Craig Asilo, Boy Bacau TV Vlog, Seville BJ Vlog, BJ Vlog, My Angel Louie. I would like to shout out to City Bikers V, Bikers Tayo Vlog, Lilian Life in Japan Vlog. I would like to shout out to Dolosa Family, Karian Acelo, Aljon Acelo.
No.
I would like to shout out to Saavedra Family, Talondata Family, Kabigunda Family, Brissett Family, Hughes Family. So, thank you guys for supporting my channels. So, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a like, and please don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be updated pag may bago akong video. Hi guys! So, welcome back to my channel. So guys, nag-snow ulit dito. Yan. Today, the weather update here, it's 11 degrees Fahrenheit and it's snowing here right now. Yeah. Ayan guys. Dito lang kami sa harap ng aming bahay. Hindi kami pwede magpunta sa malayo. Kasi may blizzard dito sa amin guys. Ayan. Ang lakas ng hangin dito sa amin. Say something. Hi, Alaya.
Hi.
Say something to beautiful people.
Hello, people.
Say, Alaya, look at in front of the camera, Alaya, please. Hello, say. Hi, this is my Alaya.
I'm not telling her. Say,
Mm.
no. Yes. I'm not telling you.
Ayan. Ayan, nag-snow dito. Tapos, ayan. Fresh na fresh yung snow. Crush na. Pwede na dito. Kulang na lang ingredients ng halo-halo, guys. Naka-crush na yung snow. Snow, ayan. Snow. I like snow. Ito. Ang lamig. Oh my gosh. Grabe ang blizzard. Ang lakas. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan, dito. Oh. We're gonna go to the snow, the snow here.
That's nice snow.
So we can, play with there, okay?
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, please don't say that, it's not. No, grabe. Ang hangin. Okay lang. It's time to play, guys. Here, the snow. Hopefully, hindi mag-run out. Sana hindi magtumba ang mga puno dali. So, here's my Aliyah. She's playing. Yeah. I'm gonna play Snow Angel. Wait. Mag-Snow Angel sa ako dito rin ako. Snow Angel. Lagi naman kagrabe, oy. Ikaw ka mag-bigkas ako anak, Bill. Video sa ako naman, Snow Angel sa ako na kay anak.
Okay. See you. I will be doing a snow angel also.